Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny Rising on Bluestacks. First, you'll want to download and install the latest version of Bluestacks from its official website. After installation, complete the initial setup by logging in with your Google account. This step is crucial for accessing the Google Play Store and downloading games. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, such as at least 4 GB of RAM and a modern processor, for the best gaming experience. Once Bluestacks is ready, open the Google Play Store directly within the application. You can find the Play Store icon on the home screen. Use the search bar at the top to type in Destiny Rising and press Enter. When the game appears in the search results, click on its icon. Then, simply select the Install button to begin downloading and installing Destiny Rising onto your Bluestacks instance. This process usually takes a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. To enhance your gaming, optimize Bluestacks performance settings. Go to the Settings menu within Bluestacks and allocate more CPU cores and RAM, perhaps 4 cores and 8 GB of RAM if your system allows. Next, launch Destiny Rising and adjust its in-game graphics settings to balance visual quality and frame rate. Finally, use Bluestacks' built-in controls editor to map keyboard keys to the game's touch inputs, creating a comfortable and precise desktop control scheme for combat and navigation. For even better performance, ensure virtualization is enabled in your computer's BIOS settings. This can boost Bluestacks' speed by up to 50%. Remember to regularly update both Bluestacks and Destiny Rising to benefit from the latest features, bug fixes, and performance improvements. If you encounter any issues, such as crashes or lag, check Bluestacks' official support website or community forums. Many common problems have straightforward solutions available there, helping you get back to playing Destiny Rising quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.